When your Black & Decker portable air conditioner won't turn on, start with these essential power checks. First, verify the unit is properly plugged into a functioning electrical outlet. Next, check your home's circuit breaker or fuse box. Black & Decker portable air conditioners typically require a dedicated 15-amp circuit. Look for any tripped breakers and reset them if necessary. Test the outlet by plugging in another device to confirm it's working properly. This simple check can quickly identify if the problem is with the outlet itself. Carefully inspect the power cord for any visible damage, such as cuts, kinks, or exposed wires. A damaged cord can prevent the unit from receiving power and may pose a safety hazard. Many Black & Decker models have an LCDI plug with test and reset buttons. To test it, plug the cord into a grounded outlet, press reset until a green light appears. Then press test to cut power and turn off the light. Finally, press reset again to restore power. Finally, avoid using extension cords or power strips with your air conditioner. These can cause voltage drops and power issues. Always plug directly into a wall outlet for optimal performance. If initial power checks don't resolve the issue, the next step is to reset your Black & Decker portable air conditioner. This process clears any internal errors and restarts the system. Next, locate the test and reset buttons on the power supply cord. These are part of the LCDI plug, a safety feature that detects electrical leakage. Check the water collection tank and empty it if full. A full tank can prevent the unit from operating. Also ensure the air filter is clean, as a dirty filter causes overheating and automatic shutdown. Inspect the exhaust hose connection. The hose should be properly attached, not crushed or kinked, and as short and straight as possible for optimal performance. Double check that the timer isn't accidentally set to turn the unit off. Many units have timer functions that can cause unexpected shutdowns. If all these steps fail to resolve the issue, contact Black & Decker customer support for professional assistance.